enough of them.
So I'm just walking after much struggle at the airport. I'm about to go get some Dunkin' Donuts because a girl is freaking starving and I need something to eat. I don't even really like Dunkin' Donuts like that. But I'ma make it do.
This a t-shirt weather. Everybody me say put your hands up from your jeans of cheddar. Time hot so we don't need sweater. What a beautiful Make sure you have money in a pocket, ice and drinks in a igloo. Shell down the party when we pass through. Turn it up with your crew, this a t-shirt weather. Everybody me say put your hands up from your jeans of cheddar. Time hot so we
Like this is the view and like Vancouver is like that I'm going to, but like this is really good across the street and it's free, y'all. So like if you do come to Ocean Reef, like you definitely should check it out. Well, and then there's the falls right there. And it's like so nice. It's so beautiful. Anyways, there's my little cousins. My younger cousin is crying because of the water. Like he's scared. I'm like, how do you live in Jamaica and you're scared of the water? Like who does that? Like yeah. So, this is the water. Jaden, say hi. Hi, camera. Hi, Michelle. Hi, camera. Chelsea, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You guys, climbing this mountain is like so beautiful. Like it's so huge. Yo, it is mad pretty. It's so pretty, mommy. It's so pretty. This one might kill me. Oh. No, but the phone is up in the slide. Don't get there. Look here already. Just hold the phone for me. Catch the idiots. We are. Tori! Tori! When I start, push me for click your right button. Catch the idiots! Except Tori. Mommy! Look how she come off. Wait, it's on YouTube. So I put it on me. Grandma dead, my phone is dead, me I try record before. Anyways, you guys, so we're about to leave. And I got my cousin in her back. Overall, this trip was really fun. We went to Little River, if I didn't mention earlier, and like, it was like going on here. Everybody is just falling. But this was so fun, y'all. Like, I had lots of fun. And like this view is so beautiful. But yeah. Well, I'm about to go dry off. Figure out what I'm about to do with my hair. I don't know if this vlog is ending here. I might add more clips. Some more clips. We'll see.
Yeah, put that on YouTube.
Yep. Say bye vlog. Say bye vlog.
Bye, vlog.
I'm here. And again. Today is my cousin's birthday. He turns 2, so we're out here like having a little birthday party for him. So this should be fun. I think I'm gonna try to record all of it, some of it. I don't know. But yeah. No what? No what? Hmm? To you. Happy birthday, dear Jalen. Happy birthday to you. Old are you now? The 2. Old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Oh, wait, Papa said, it's a
This one, let me take your son. Yeah, come in. We don't try it, there, son.
So, like, now we're about to, like, my uncle is in the back in his underwear. So, we're about to go to Duns River Falls. Like, we went to Little Duns River. So, now we're going to, like, the actual Duns River. So, I'm just here. About to get into this car so we can leave. This should be fun. I'll show you if I can when we get there.
Yeah, we went go down the one here, you know. Down at the one where near like a Duns River, they say. Yeah, we go down the one here. I don't get nice.
Somebody bring the fire brigade come. Busy step in the place bun down. To all the gal them a wine and a go and I swear me don't want this a fun done. Place lit with
It is so packed here. Huh? Yeah. So we just got in. It is so packed here. Like, a lot of people already went in, but now we're about to enter into the falls. So this should be fun. I haven't been here since like 5, 6 years ago. Probably longer than that. Yeah. So we are now here. It is so beautiful, you guys. Like, look at it. Look at it. Why am I acting like I've never been here before? But like, it's really pretty. Everyone's climbing. I think we're about to like go sit on the beach, take some pictures, and then climb from the beach all the way up. So that should be fun.
Sorry.
There's so many people here, like it is so packed, and like we just started, like that's where the beach is, and we just got here, so like we have such a long way to go, but this should be fun though. So we finally finished. It took us like, I don't know, an hour. Yeah. Now we have to walk back down. So yeah. Hey you guys. So I am back at the airport. I've been here all day because I did 2 connecting flights, so I'm now in Florida. So I'm waiting for my next flight. So I just thought I should come and end this vlog because I doubt when I get home I'll be able to do it because we land around like 12:30, I think. So I know I'm going like straight to bed once that's done. We have been like out all day, like since like 7 in the morning. So it has been a long day, and yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog. This trip was really fun, and yes, oh, 1 week goes by really fast, but yeah, I'm just tired now, and I'm just ready to go to sleep. Anyways, bye. I hope you liked this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Wanna say hi? She's tired. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, peace.